If you want to use voice typing on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first of all, we need to open the keyboard. And next, on the right side over here, we have this microphone before we enter any text. So if you enter something, well, it is still actually there, so it is always here. We can tap on this microphone, and if you tap on it for the first time, you will need to grant permission for the keyboard to be able to record audio, obviously, because we need to use microphone for this. So we tap on this microphone, and whatever you say will be inputted over here. Once you stop saying for just a second or so, the microphone will be automatically disabled, and that's pretty much it. This is how we can use it in order to search with our voice, for example, or to type with our voice. If you don't have this microphone for some reason, you can check keyboard settings. So we can go to settings, scroll all the way down and choose additional settings, then go to languages and input, then go to manage keyboards, select Gboard, and then go to voice typing. Over here we want to make sure that we are using voice typing. So if it's disabled, just enable it. And in addition to that, we can also use faster voice typing, where we can download a faster, more accurate way to recognize our voice. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!